About Indian people who are culprits, Saitan, communist, and scientists are blacklisted by me. That have gone abroad from IIT or IIMs, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, क्या है, Bengal Veterinary Public Health, and Gujarat. You has to critically learn those causes why this suddenly that pathogen plague has entered Gujarat. So many pathogen has the Gujarat, swine flu, bird flu, etc. And this, what these people are telling that if vaccine safe, you always raise the question if vaccine safe. That vaccine post effect, each and every justice, each and everybody has to be post complications to be studied for 5, 6 years, 10 years, and their death because you have to all to do about your when that Narendra Modi and कोविद रामलाल के जीवन जो है ना सीमित है कब होगा अनसर्टिनिटी देयर नो एंड दिस नो बीजेपी लीडर कैन promise they can be seen after 5 years or 6 years. All PPs will be replaced by the culprits criminals. So the money funding collection should not be allowed, but you have to ask whether you have in conscience has killed any creature. You have killed, you refrain. You come during any भोजन purpose हो तब अभी मिनिस्ट्री अभी नहीं है बट गो हत्याकारी इस्लाम वो जो धर्म चेंज करना पड़ेगा ही हैज़ टू गिव दैट ही हैज़ नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट काउ स्लॉटरिंग एंड ही हैज़ नॉट डन काउ स्लॉटरी और ह्यूमन स्लॉटरी बर्ड स्लॉटरी एक्सेट्रा funds from any foreign people who has gone foreign land is not acceptable at all. That path will be introduced by this route. Swami Vivekananda has been blamed for his borrowed jacket from that Bhogini Nivedita. That jacket was borrowed path for him, heaviness for why he has been catched from underneath and probably he is to lose life and mind message marriage lot of things probably has happened because also true history sudden death is not explainable at many people has suppressed the data and confusing data. So Ram Mandir आप करो कोई मुसलमान और Indian politician cannot hinder your initiation, but it is advisable Narendra Modi, VHP people, RSS people will not enter, or any people gone outside is not entertainable. Only farmers, not Khalistani, who is remain India, has not gone India from outside, those people, and who is given least amount, that is amount is only pious amount. That you are talking about records will be 2000 above, that is not needed. That all will be अहंकार के पैसा. ये सब चीज़ को आपको नोट करनी है. विश्वास हमारा इतना ही है, हम राम सदृश है. मेरे साथ राम भक्त हरि भक्तों के साथ जो लोग मुसलमान और गद्दार कम्युनिस्ट मादाचोद किस तरह का माटी नीचे से व्हाट मैकेनिज्म से दे आर destroying the earth, climate, nature, human life, vegetations and forest burning, that poisoning through drugs, vaccines, and they introduce this vaccine by them people, but Sinomaker, probably China link is there. But China has got from again those people who are from brought stealing pathogens from America. That BBC travel show and this Prime Video, these people who are developing AI, this is the old crime doing facilities, mind, brain mesmerizing facilities. All those two have to avoid. That what they are talking about, I am just trying, but I am unable to my fairness. I am my people hate strong plate and plate putting they are snatching my inner brain, that near about the hypertension, heavily hypertension my brain, that putting pressure on thalamus, they are creating high temperature. So this is that criminals who to make film or to promote this crime to show in videos, that is not. This can be shown to the politician who is to see critically, but ordinary people is not sue. It's not people to obviously sue this type of criminals in street or any society, any mohalla, etc. So you have answered, but you are not that enough wise intelligence, you are just culprit. That net was shown, that type of net is Magis. These Magis are the culprit Vidyut का granddaughters होता है. Vidyut शैतान हिजरे का और जो विद्युत मालिनी and Deven etc. Anath, Anartha. All these people are doing that joy or joy, durjoy, etc. Santo, Soto, Sujjoy, Ajoy, Vijay. They are doing wrong. Then Anirban and these people say tremendous Dipankar, Chakraborty, etc. Dibbendu, Dino, etc. Wrongdoing extremely. That Bijan Hajra, Ghosh and Bipad Bhanjan Ghosh and Vidyut Hajra, Pradut Hajra, Protip, etc. and Tusit, Tusiko, Tusit. Tuhinov, etc. I am not able to take because they are to critical name, they are hindering critical name, Santosh, Mohitos, etc., Jojati, etc. And this all people come at Govinda Rajan and the Santaran Sandipan's group and the peoples, they are hindering me. That Lokshi, Alokhi, that is Gauri, Sharmila, etc., Konok, Kamini, Kaushal, Kapshani, the lot of creating problem to see Tuki, Tujita, Gita, Renuka, Sikha, Konika, Monika, Deepika, Gauri, Aparajita, Apala, Arpita, etc., Arpat, Arpai. All so many people I have taken earlier.